So I was searching through Roblox and I found this pretty weird looking game Doors, so I would like to try it out. So after joining the game, it looks pretty amazing to be honest. Very cool details like those tables, this fireplace, and I think this is menu. And it looks absolutely amazing. Huge advantage is the fact that there is a free single player. Okay, I can't open those doors. Oh my, what is that? Spider. There's some eyes. Quite alright, so I'm gonna hop in and see what will I find. I don't know what kind of a game this is. Oh, this is a horror, I forgot. Right, so we'll see. Oh, there's a first person camera. I can't buy anything. Okay, I'm gonna crank this timer. Oh, alright. I think as I open those doors, you need a key. Oh, okay. There's a key. Oh, you can open those wall shelves. Pretty cool. Yeah, really cool. I like this. Okay, is there something here? No. Oh, small detail. Cool. So, one thing I know, if there are lights blinking, I have to hide in a wardrobe. I don't know how this works, but okay. I'm gonna search through those shelves. I don't really know what to look for. Okay. I feel like I am somewhere in a huge complex. This game seems to be inspired from backrooms. Oh my god. What do I do? This looks like a labyrinth. Okay. Okay. Oh, this lever looks okay. There's nothing in here. Oh sheesh. What was that? What is that? It it deals damage when I'm looking at it. Okay. There's something in here. Oh, a lighter. Great. I don't like those sounds though. Okay, here are some shelves. Some more shelves. I think I'm gonna search through those. Okay, okay, I'm good to go. Oh, actually, how the hiding in wardrobes looks like. Oh, okay. I wonder how the blinking lights looks like. No, that wasn't a blinking light. That wasn't a blinking light neither. Oh, I hate those sounds. Okay. Oh, this source of lights looks great. It works perfectly. I like it. Hmm. I don't know what to look for, but this game is quite self-explanatory. You just walk around those rooms with... I don't know why. I don't know how many of those rooms are there. I don't play horrors usually, so this is my first time playing this game. Oh, I think I should hide. I hear this weird sound. What is that? I think I'm okay now. No, I'm right now. That was kinda creepy. Nothing here. Oh, I can hide under the bed. Good, good to know. Those sounds are quite creepy. Actually, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a key. Yeah, key should be somewhere here. Oh, there's a key. Okay, great. Okay, I have some more gold. I can open those doors. I'm kinda paranoid about this, blinking lights. This kinda creeps me out. I don't think there are too many jump scares in this game though. Which is cool, because I don't like jump scares. Okay, what is that? Hmm. From general development looks, this game looks absolutely amazing. Especially since it is still an alpha. This game has lots of potentials. It's like very high quality game for Roblox. I really like it. Oh, I've heard something. Like a psst. I don't know what to do actually. I'm kinda creeped. Okay. I think there might be jump scare connected to this psst. But I don't know. I'm just assuming. Okay. Okay. This room is clear. Oh, that was a blinking light. I'm gonna hide. Okay. Oh, this game is kinda creepy. Like mentally, maybe not the jump scares or all that stuff. This is just creepy mentally. It has some loud noises and all that stuff. Just kinda good addition, I'm gonna lie. I mean, it's not really that creepy as some games that I know, but it is quite nerve-wracking. I'm quite scared, not gonna lie. As a Roblox game, of course. You may say I'm pretty weak, but I don't like horrors in general. Okay. This face is creepy. Oh, oh, it's like a sweet or something like that. A key. I'm gonna open those shelves. Something tells me that there might be something in there. Oh, I got a lockpick. Great. I think I can open the doors without the key using it. Oh, I'm just gonna run. Oh my god. Okay, I have some light source. Okay, I'm gonna hide. It is coming. Oh my, this face looks like a troll face or something, you know? There's nothing in there. Oh my god, I hate those sounds. They're like the Minecraft cave sounds, you know? Okay, I'm not gonna search through shelves on this level. This kinda gives me an anxiety. I like the rain, how it is very well made. Another level, nothing in there. There might be something in here. Yeah, a lighter. This eye? This is an eye? Yeah, it is. Doors are blocked. Okay. Oh my Jesus Christ. A long corridor without any lights, with those creepy eyes. This is quite cool. I actually like that. Oh my, oh my god. What is that? Something tells me there might be something in here. I'm gonna search for this shelves. Oh my, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to run? Oh, god dang it. Whoa! This is so cool, but so creepy as well. Where am I supposed to go? Left. Okay, forward. Left or right? Fuck, Gendig. I'm not gonna make it. Oh my god! Holy Jesus Christ! Oh my, wow, that was great. I mean, okay, this was very cool. Um, if this video gets like, I don't know, 10 likes, I'm gonna play it once again and maybe reach some more doors. But yeah, guys, this concludes my video. I really like this game, and yeah.